If you stand for a region, be prepared to stand alone like a tree. If you want to be successful, you must respect one rule: never lie to yourself. To be kind is more important than to be right. Many times, what people need is not a brilliant mind that speaks, but a special heart that listens. Three things cannot be long hidden: the sun, the moon, and the truth. Don't be a beggar of love, be a donor of love. Beautiful people are not always good, but good people are always beautiful. Successful people always have two things on their lips: silence, smile. Relationship never dies a natural death, they are murdered by ego, attitude, and ignorance. When you stop trying to change others and work on changing yourself, your world changes for the better. Faith and prayer both are invisible, but they make impossible things possible. The only real failure in life is not to be true to the best one knows. One moment can change a day, one day can change a life, and one life can change the world. If you propose to speak, always ask yourself: is it true? Is it necessary? Is it kind? No matter how hard the past, you can always begin again. Never get too attached to someone because attachment leads to expectations and expectations lead to suffering. Nothing is permanent. Don't stress yourself too much because no matter how bad the situation is, it will change. No one saves us but ourselves. No one can and no one may. We ourselves must walk the path. There is no path to happiness. Happiness is the path. Just as a candle cannot burn without fire, man cannot live without a spiritual life. The past is already gone, the future is not yet there, and here there is only one moment for you to live. Don't compare your life to others. There is no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it's their time. Never search your happiness in others. It will make you feel alone. Search it in yourself. You will feel happy even when you are left alone. Every morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters most. If you light a lamp for somebody, it will also brighten your path. The quieter you become, the more you can hear. Always be thankful for what you have. Many people have nothing. Smile, it will make you feel better. Pray, it will keep you strong. Love, it will make you enjoy life. Silence and smile are two powerful tools. Smile is the way to solve many problems, and the silence is the way to avoid many problems. Buddha was asked, "What have you gained from the meditation?" He replied, "Nothing." However, Buddha said, "Let me tell you what I lost: anger, anxiety, depression, insecurity, fear of old age, and death. Thousands of candles can be lighted from a single candle, and the life of the candle will not be shortened. Happiness never decreases by being shared." The secret of health for both mind and body is not to mourn for the past, not to worry about the future, but to live the present moment wisely and earnestly. You will not be punished for your anger. You will be punished by your anger. One moment can change a day, one day can change a life, and one life can change the world. To find peace, sometimes you have to be willing to lose your connection with people, places, and things that create all the noise in your life. And never judge people by their past. People learn, people change, people move on. Overthinking is the biggest cause of unhappiness. I never see what has been done. I only see what remains to be done. To keep the body in good health is a duty, otherwise, we shall not be able to keep our mind strong and clear.